Hey guys, today let's learn how to make or how to know the best time to make a post on Facebook. So if you guys are wondering how to know when is the best time to make a post on Facebook, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So in order for us to easily locate when, or basically know when the best time is to post on Facebook, is to find out when your followers are most online. So in order for us to find out when our followers are most online, you could easily go ahead and access this data on your Facebook page's analytics or insights. So in order for us to access where this specific setting is, what we need to go ahead and do is to tap on our Facebook application and then go on over on our preferred Facebook page and then proceed with tapping on your insights. So if you cannot see where your Facebook page's insights is at the moment, you can actually tap on your professional dashboard over here and then tap on your insights section. As you would see, I do have the active followers option, and this is going to show me when my followers are mostly active. I'm going to go ahead and just tap on this chart. We do have age and gender, top countries, top cities, and stuff like that as well. When you tap on your active followers over here, of course, you can actually see when your followers are most active. And in this table right here, it shows me that on Tuesday, my followers are most active and I have the most amount of followers active on my professional dashboard on my Facebook page. So what this tells me is that this is the best time or date to post my specific post on my Facebook page. You can actually go ahead and evaluate this yourselves, try this out yourselves, and see when your own followers are most active on Facebook, and that is going to give you the best time and best date to post your specific posts on your Facebook page. And now essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.